Hello everyone, Elias5891 here with another KTANE module tutorial. This time we're covering the cruel code module. This one, not too bad if you understand regular code. Not too bad of one in general. Doesn't require, but the calculator is useful, so I've got one of those pulled up on the screen here as you see. Clear that out. Alright, so for this module, looks just like code, 10-digit keypad, submit button, query button. For this one, you actually have 3 displays you'll need to be keeping track of. To view these different displays, you are going to query the module twice total, so your additional one plus 2 additional ones. You're going to have your first number, in this case 1072, query to get your second number, 3276, query to get your third number, 1359. And then we're going to go through the rules. We are likely to hit a bunch of the same rules because there is some dependency on number, types of modules, day of the week, some things that aren't going to change a whole lot here on this sample. But let's take a look here. First off, it's kind of spaced weird, but these 3 things down here are actually kind of definitions / rules of what it means when it says to do things. When numbers are in parentheses, it's telling you to take a digital root. It's where you just add the digits repeatedly until you get a single number. The radical symbol means to take the positive square root. And this symbol means floor. It just means, basically, in this case, drop the decimal. Use the integer value, the stuff to the left of the decimal. So, to determine the code, first off, we need to take the square root of the first number and see if it's 35 once we drop the decimal. So, square root 1072 is 32. That is not 35. So I'm going to mark this over here to the side. It may come in handy later. But our square root is not 35. Well, let's go to the next rule. Otherwise, if the digital root of the first number is equal to the digital root of the third number. Now our first number, let's add these digits up. 1 and 0 and 7 and 2 is 10. 1 plus 0 is 1, so our digital root is 1. If we come down here to the third one, 1 plus 3, 4 plus 5, 9 plus 9, 18. 1 plus 8 is 9. We have a digital root of 9 for this one. Is 1 and 9 the same? No. So we're going to skip that rule. Otherwise, if the square root of the second is equal to the square root of the third, it's not, but let's go ahead and see what those are anyway. Square root of the second number is going to give us 57. Notice again we're taking the floor with this little symbol here. So we're just looking at the left of the decimal. So radical 3276 gives me 57. Radical 1359, square root of 1359 gives me 36. Are those a match? No. So we move on. Otherwise, if Cruel Piano Keys or Cruel Mastermind is on the bomb, it's tutorial mode. As you can see, there's one module on this bomb. There's never going to get... Through all of our examples, this rule is never going to trigger. If it does, it probably has the most interesting rule. The code is the whole number of seconds remaining when you submit. This would be a real pain with my 40-minute bomb here, but that means if you hit it at 30 minutes, then the answer is 1800, because there's 1800 seconds to go at that point. So, interesting calculation there, if that one pops up. Otherwise, if the bomb was started on a Monday, and there's a lit bob, then the code's 4321. You can see from the calendar here that I did this one on a Sunday, so it's not a Monday. Otherwise, if there are exactly 12 solvable modules, no, there's 1. Otherwise, the code is the greater value between 1 and the square root of 2 over the square root of 1, floored. Each of those floored. So we're going to take square root of 2, floor it, which is 57, that's why I jotted that one down earlier. We're going to divide it by the first number, square rooted and floored, which is 32. That's going to be 1 point something. And then we're going to floor that, which becomes 1. So my answer for this one is 1. Let's look at another one. Numbers are 2720, 1414, and 2943. Well, we've seen what sort of things we need. Let's just go ahead and get all the square roots out of the way first. 2720 is going to give me 52. 1414 is going to give me 37. And 2943 is going to give me 54. So, is the square root of the first one 35? No, it was 52. Next, digital roots of the first and third match. The first one, digital root 2 plus 7 plus 2 plus 0, that's 11. 1 plus 1 is 2. Bottom one, 2 plus 9 plus 4 plus 3 is 18. 1 plus 8 is 9, not a match. We're going to skip that rule. Otherwise, if square root of 2 equals square root of 3, no. 37 is not equal 54. Otherwise, cruel something, no. Otherwise, starting on a Monday, no. Otherwise, 12 solvables, no. Otherwise, the greater of 1 and 37 over 52. 37 over 52 is going to be 0 point something. Less than 1. So my answer is going to be 1. You may notice a trend here. Third attempt to get a different answer. 2866. 7214. 4183. Let's get some square roots. 2866 gives me 53. Didn't mean to put that on all of them. Square root of 7214 is 84. And the square root of 4183 is 64. So 53, 84, 64. Is square root of the first one 35? No. Digital roots. First one, digital root 2 plus 6. 2 plus 8 plus 6 plus 6 equals 22 equals 4. Bottom one, 4 plus 1 plus 8 plus 3 equals 16 equals 7. 4 does not equal 7. No. Square root of 2 equals square root of 3. No. Cool piano or mastermind. No. Started on a Monday. No. 12 solvables. No. It is the greater of 1 and 84 over 53, which is going to be 1 point something. So our answer, yet again, is a 1. Last up. I'd give you this one, but I've got a strong feeling I know what the answer is. 9242, 7330, and 9947 are our numbers. Radical 9242 gives me 96. That goes up here. Square root of 7330 gives me 85. And square root of 9947 gives me, unsurprisingly, 99. So with those values in hand, let's go through the rules. Square root of the first one, 35. No. Digital root of the first equal digital root of the last. 9 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 equals 17 equals 8. Bottom one, 9 plus 9 plus 4 plus 7 equals 29 equals 11 equals 2. 2 does not equal 8. That rule does not apply. Square root of second equals square root of third. Nope. Cruel. Nope. Monday. Nope. 12 modules. Nope. Greater of 1 or 85 over 96. 0 point something. Greater number is going to be, oh, what a surprise, it's a 1. And that is cruel code. As you can see, 1 is a very common answer, especially if you don't have exactly 12 modules and you didn't do the bomb on a Monday. But it's one of those things that happens. Just be aware. We did not see it, but as these two rules do specify, don't hit Q in extra time because you will strike. If you get it wrong, you will strike. If you strike, the module resets, different numbers come up, so be aware of that. But that, however, is it for Cruel Code. Thank you so much for watching. If you have a comment, concern, question, suggestion, please leave them down below as always. Until next time, guys, this has been Eliott. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Don't explode. Bye, guys.